Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today Grandpa and I realized we haven't had oatmeal cookies in a long time, so we decided to try this recipe. It's from the New England Yankee Cookbook from 1939. This was published during the Great Depression. It looked very interesting because the recipe has all the pumpkin spices in it: cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg. You know Grandpa likes to bake, so he will be making the cookies today.
Hello everyone, Grandpa here. Now we're going to take my medium-sized bowl and we're going to mix all our dry ingredients into the bowl. First we take 2 cups flour, add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, give it a little stir. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now we have to mix this well. Mix it all up. Now we're going to add 1 cup of oatmeal and a 2/3 cup of raisins. Use my spoon instead of the whisk. Stir it up, mix it in there. Okay, that looks good. All mixed up. That's for our dry ingredients. And we have to set this aside. Get our large mixing bowl to mix our wet ingredients in. We're going to take 3/4 cup of butter, put it in our bowl, smooth it out till it's nice and smooth, soft. The butter is all creamed up now. I have to slowly add my 1 cup of brown sugar into the butter and mix it up. Take a little bit out, like thirds. Blend it all in. That little bit of sugar has been blended in. Take some more. Okay, that's blended in. Take our final third. Okay, we got it all blended in. We got to put 1 egg in at a time. First egg. Get our second egg. Now we get our molasses and we put our 3 tablespoons of molasses. Mix it in. And last, our 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now we have to gradually add in our dry ingredients. And again, we use that 1/3 method. Mixing it in. Mix it up, make sure we got all the dry ingredients mixed into the wet. Now our oatmeal cookies has all been mixed up, and now I have to get my cooking sheet to put the cookies on. I like this little scoop that I use, like a little ice cream scoop instead of a teaspoon. But if you don't have one of these, you could use a teaspoon. to put a drop of the cookies on it. Like so. Make a couple rows, 4 rows across, 4 or 5 rows down. While I am preparing my cookie sheet with the cookies, I'm preheating my oven to 375 degrees, and we'll be baking these cookies for 8 to 12 minutes depending upon my oven. I have to check them to see if the edges are a little brown. If they're not, we got to add a little bit more time to it. Everybody's oven is a little bit different. My cookie sheet is all filled up with 16 cookies. So we're going to put these 16 cookies into the oven as soon as it gets up to 375 degrees. My first batch of oatmeal cookies came out of the oven. They look good. They smell good. So how's it taste, Grandma?
I'll let you know in a minute, Pa. Looks delicious. Smells so good. It's a very nice, soft cookie. It's very soft and it's flavorful. I love the pumpkin spice flavor in it and the raisins. It's different than your traditional oatmeal cookie. It doesn't have as much oatmeal flavor, but it does have the pumpkin spice, which I love anything pumpkin spice, so this is going to be a favorite cookie of mine for the fall.
We made 36 of them.
We could always freeze some for later. If you like a soft with a little bit of chewy cookie, this would be the one you'd like. And if anybody's like me, loves the pumpkin spice flavor, you would really like these cookies. I'm glad you tried this recipe.
I'm glad you like it.